Hey everyone, want to create professional-looking diagrams in Excalidraw? Excalidraw is a free open-source online whiteboard that's perfect for creating flowcharts, system diagrams, mind maps, wireframes, and process charts. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create diagrams in Excalidraw from start to finish in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Excalidraw website. Yeah, you can start creating diagrams immediately without signing in or installing any software. Next, begin building your diagram by adding shapes. Excalidraw includes rectangles, circles, diamonds, ellipses, arrows, lines, and freehand drawing tools that work well for almost any type of diagram. Now connect your shapes using arrows and connector lines. Yeah, this helps show relationships, workflows, or data movement between different parts of your diagram. Click the text tool to label each shape. Clear labels make your diagrams much easier to understand, especially when sharing them with others. Customize your diagram by changing colors, line thickness, fonts, backgrounds, and opacity. You can also align, duplicate, group, and arrange multiple objects to keep everything organized. When your diagram is finished, click the export option to save it as a PNG, SVG, or Excalidraw file. Yeah, exporting your work makes it easy to share, present, or continue editing later. And that's how to create diagrams in Excalidraw in 2026. Whether you're designing flowcharts, software architecture diagrams, business processes, or mind maps, Excalidraw gives you a fast and intuitive way to visualize your ideas for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.